Hello, baby love. Hi. How are you? Huh? Oh, enter siya sa room. Nakanganga. Wow! Sabi niya. Hmm. May magsiswimming na maliit na bata. Kasama ang tatay, nakamuka.
No?
Hello. Hello, baby love na. Pang lasar yung mukha ni Thea. Oh, ready? Ako naman. Mga mapagpanggap. Nakita mo yun? Doon na puta.
Nandun yung flag.
Paano ba? Ayan. Bakit papunta doon?
Oh, lynch natin yan, lynch.
Hanapin mo boat. Oh, yung isa pa. Oh, dyan na lang. Lapit na dyan. Wow! Ang baby love ko. Wow! Ang Thea love ko. Ha? Bata, ano na love? Wow! Wow! Ang tatay, naghalongkat ng bola doon. Pupunta doon yung bola.
Sige. Sige, Nay. Sige pa. Sige, tira pa.
Ano naman ako eh. Ikaw naman. May batang nabubwisit na. Tulala.
Bata nagutom.
Nagutom. Ubus na, tatay. Hanggang huling patak. Ha? Ubus na. Finish! Very good yung baby love ko. Wala na. Wala na talaga. Uy, hangin na yung masisip-sip niya. Halika na, balik na tayo doon. Para mapadede kita.
Grabe, gutom na gutom mo, baby. Gutom na gutom yan.
Napagod ang boto.
Napagod ang baby.
Uy, tay, hangin na yung madidede niya. Nakanganga pa.
Saan yung anong sakit nito, Nay?
Diyan, sa gilid. Kajing, kajing. Kajing, bujing.
Dito.
Hey? Bulaga! Bulaga! Let's go na! Let's go na! Yan. Turoy ng baby kong yan eh. Banana Island. So yeah, here is the suite that we rented here in Banana Island. It's like a dresser, closet. Then there's a large mirror over here. And the toilet and bath with a sliding door. And they have blower you can use. And then ito yung kaninang walk-in closet. Ang baby ko. It's nice. Then water closet. And they provide us also a sanitary bag and tissue, 2 sinks. They provide soap, but I'm not sure with the shampoo if they will provide. Let's see, this one is razor, hair comb, emery board. Because we didn't bring anything. Oh, that's this. Oh my gosh. Did I destroy? I'll just leave it there. Then this is the shower. Oh, yeah, here. So, shampoo, conditioner, and bath shower. Yeah. There we go. We'll go to the room itself. This one is just the connecting door from the other room. At ang baby ko na napakaingay. Hello, baby love. Hi, how are you? Huh? Enter siya sa room. Nakanganga. Wow! Sabi niya. So, yeah, may lounge area din. Sofa. And they are soft. So, it's nice. This one. What's this? Okay, so it's like a complimentary dessert. And yeah, extra drawer. And they have a mini fridge here with some drinks, but you need to pay extra for this. Yeah, and these are the prices. But this drinks all free. She's smiling. Oh, you're happy? You're happy, love, love? Oh, wow. That one is the bed. Let's turn them around, honey. Oh, yay. So, yeah. Ito po yung, bed. Queen size siguro to, no, Tay? Queen size bed. Then, the side of that bed is the bathtub. Yan. And then meron dito labasan. Meron kang parang balcony. I don't know how to open. Turn to open. Turn to open. Oh, it's push. So yeah. So we're near in the pool, and that's the beach side. So it's like walkable only, which is nice. Oh yeah. So there's a mini lounge here as well that you can sit. Pwedeng mag-aura-aura. Yan. Another. Okay, so this is the pool. And that's the beach over there. With cabanas. Later we'll just go there. Hello, love love. How are you? You're eating your stuff. Taya, are you happy? Taya, yes? Wow. You're happy, love love? Yes? Wow. You're happy? Let's go inside, Tay. It's still hot. Mamaya na lang tayo lumabas-labas. Mga bandang alas 5 siguro. Oh, there's another pool pala there, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so one here and then one under there. I don't know if it's connecting. Oh yeah, it's connecting. Oh well. That's nice. Let's see if how deep that pool is later. So yeah, pasok na tayo. Yee! Sarado natin yung pinto. Para hindi mainit. Yan, tapos ilalak daw pag ganyan. Okay. And you have blinds. I mean, not blinds. Blackout curtain. If you want more, like, more privacy.
A few moments later.